Good day. Today I'm going to show you how to make a return for printing on the 3D Fusion 3D printer. We're first going to insert an image. This is an image I've got from the Spar logo. Okay. And then I must tell it on which face to put it. So I'm going to put it on this face and I'll say OK. Next step is to create a sketch. I'm going to create a sketch on the same face, on the same surface. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a rectangle and I'm going to make it a construction line from there to there. And we're going to make it 500, tab 500, enter. Now I can say fit, so that it fit on my screen. Next step is to edit the canvas. I'm going to right click and say edit canvas. Now I'm going to scale the canvas. I'm going to use the one in the corner so that the height and width ratio stay the same. Okay. Okay, that's good enough, and I'm going to say okay. Next step is to trace my outside line. I'm going to start with line. I'm going to do straight lines. And I'm going to fix the air. I'm going to change the line to solid. There. There. I'm going to stop the line. I'm still in the line command. There. I'm going to stop the line. I'm going to make another line. And I'm going to stop. Right. If I right click and press OK, I'm going out of the line command. What I can do now is I can zoom in and move my points a little bit if you want to. If I want to, and if I'm happy with that one, I can either click on the points or I can click on this line and say fix, and then the line won't move anymore. Now for the top two, what I can do is I can make sure these 2 points are horizontal. So I'm going to click on the horizontal vertical. I'm going to click on that point and I'm going to click on that point, and then they will always be horizontal. If I press escape, I'm going out of that command. Now I can move this to a convenient place. I can right click and I can say fix, and then these lines won't move anymore. I can also right click and press fix. The next step is to do the spline. So I can go to that point, I can choose a center point there, and I can choose a point there. And I can click finish spline command. If I want to, let's finish the spline command, and now I can. You see, these lines are not tangent, so what I can do is I can click there, and I can move this one, and it will snap on that line, and I can do the same on the side. So that it snapped, and if I want to make the curve a little bit wider, I can do it like that, and I can make sure this is horizontal. I think that's good enough. Now we can do the same with this A. We can maybe first make these two vertical. I can press escape again to get out of there. And then I can move this. What's a good height about there? I can move that to that side. Can right click, fix. Right click, fix. Now let's just make the bottom sides fixed as well. I can maybe make these 2 points horizontal as well. and then I can move that, press escape or I can press OK to get out of the command. Okay, I can right click and say fix because I'm happy with that point. You can see this point on this side is perfect, and I can fix this point. Now we can go up and draw our spline. Okay, yeah, I think one in the center should be enough. And that's okay. Right click, press OK to get out of the spline command. Now I can just let's make this line snap first. Maybe I should have entered 2 points. Okay, that's good enough for now. Now, if I press the wheel, I can pan. Next step is this line. Let's look at this corner. That one is nicely in the corner. I can fix that point. This one is okay. I can right click and fix that point. This one maybe needs to be about there. I can fix this point. I don't know if these two are horizontal. We can maybe make these two also the same. Symmetric. Right click OK. Zoom in. Okay. Now I can do another spline. Maybe we can do another spline from here, there, there, there. Say OK. Now right click, say OK to get out of the command. First thing maybe is to let that snap on there. Click on the line. Let that one snap on there. And then we can just drag these lines till I'm happy. See that point maybe needs to move a little bit. If I want to move this point, I can right click and say unfix. You see, then I can only move it left and right because it's parallel with the other one. So if I want to move it up and down, I must unfix this one as well. Unfix. If the green circle is gone, then it's unfixed. Now I should be able to move it a little. Click on the line. I can right click and fix again. Okay, that looks good enough. Let's go this side. Let's fix that. Now I can go to the spline. Command again. One there, one there, one there, one there. Okay. Right click, finish spline command. Snap on there. Snap on there. Okay. done. Now we can say finish sketch. Now we can go to home. And now we can give a third dimension to the sign by going to extrude, going to the A, and we're going to make it 100. Press enter. Now if we want to, we can switch the sign off, and we can go make the return on this one by modifying, going to shell. We're going to click on this side. We're going to, if we press shift and then the scroll button, then we can move. We're going to press that side, and we're going to print it on a 3mm wall thickness, and I'm going to say enter. Okay. And if I go home and press shift on the scroll wheel, I can have a look at my return. You'll see in the bodies, there's two bodies. You've got the inside body and the outside body. Okay, if we want, let's first take this to Cura. Let's take the outside body. We can right click and say save as STL. I'm going to do this one by saving it as a STL. So we're going to save, and we're going to put it, call it for a for outside. Okay. And then we can do the other one as well. Save as STL. Okay. For A and 5 for inside. Now let's open automated Cura. Okay. Now I'm going to select a width of 3mm here. Okay. I'm going to open the desktop images. Let's first open the spar outside. I scroll in and out with the mouse. If I press the mouse in, I'm panning around. The right mouse button rotates the mouse. Okay, so now we can see there's our outside of the A. Now, it is straightforward. It's just saying slice. You can go to preview, and now we can see what our A looks like. We've got our A, the settings is set on a brim on the inside and a brim on the outside. If I only want a brim on the outside, what I can do is I can go to build plate adhesion and build plate adhesion, and I must go to expert settings, and then I got the option to put the shell only on the outside, and if I slice, you can see there's the shell only on the outside. If you struggle to let the print stick, you can always make the brim line a little bit more, and I can slice it like that. Okay, I can also prepare, click on that, and then I can move it down on the bed if I would like to put it there, and I can press slice again and go to preview, and then you can see what it looks like. There I can look at my. Okay, let's import the inside as well. File, open files. Oh, sorry, that was the outside. And I can click on that one, let's press delete. Inside. Go to prepare. There I can put the inside, and I can press slice. Preview and see what's going on. It's very important to confirm it's been set like that. In special modes, we print one at a time, and we are printing on the spiralized contour option, which means if the printer starts, it goes around and around and around in a spiralized fashion, so there's no join marks or stop marks. Because we are printing very big, it's not advisable to start and stop the flow of the plastic. You can make gaps or push out too much plastic. If we want to change the design a little bit more, we can go back to Fusion. If you would like to put a bevel on the edge, what I'm going to do is I'm going to move the Eastern market back one. Then we'll solid again. Before we're going to shell it, we're going to modify it by any chamfer, and we're going to choose edges. This one, this edge, that edge, this edge, and we've got a 3mm wall thickness. Let's go for also a 3mm bevel, or let's make it 4. It's a little bit more. Let's just for more visibility, let's make it 5. Press OK, and let's see if we can shell this one. There you can see we've got a shell now. Press Shift, the center key. You can see nicely, and we can go to one body. That's that body. We can go and save as STL. Okay. Let's replace that file, this one, and we can go to this one, save as STL. Okay. Spot outside, save. Now we can go to Cura again. Okay, you can go to prepare bed type. You can go there and you can delete that one. You can come back and delete, and we can open it again, and we're going to go for this outside, and we can open again, and we can go for inside as well. Now we can, let me just show you. If we go there on the top view, these grey lines is where the head's moving, so it's very important that they don't, it's not too close together. Let's see if we slice this one. I'll go to the preview. Okay, this is still going to work. Let's go to prepare again. If I move this one too close to that one and I slice, it will give me an error. Alright. So let's just make sure we space it a little bit better, and we can slice it. Go to preview. Let's move this. There you see, it's going to first print the first one and then the second one with the bevel edges. Thank you.